Good morning, Tracy. This is Mr. Wong. Today is Wednesday, 15 April. So today is a short lesson. Today we'll just be going through yesterday's homework, and then you will take the time to finish up all the corrections and all the work you have done on hard copy if you have not done so. Okay, so yesterday our homework was for page 167 to 170. So today we'll just go through them, and you realize that the homework yesterday was pretty similar to what you have done in term 1. It's like adding of whole numbers, but you need to take note of the alignment. You need to take note of the decimal point, the dot that separates the dollar and the cents, and of course we'll talk about money here, so the dollar sign is important. Okay, so yesterday I went through a few questions, so I want to go through those questions. So today I'll just start with C. Okay, so like adding of whole numbers, you always start from the smallest place value, or start for money you start with the cents. After that we go to the dollars. It's quite straightforward. Okay, so let's go through the answers. Right, so I've done 1A, 1B. Now I'll go on to 1C. So let's do the, make sure that you have shown me your working. Okay, so I don't want to see just the answer. I want to see the working as well, of course, with the regrouping. You know what Mr. Wong wants to see. Alright, so let's start. 0, 5, give me 5. Let me just write it down. Give me 5. 4, 4, give me 8. Bring the decimal point down. 2, 2 is 4. 3, 2 is 5. So simply the answer is $54.85. Right. Okay. So the next one. 0, 5 is 5. 1, 8 is 9. Decimal point. 6, 2 is 8. 7, 2 is 9. Remember the dollar sign. So the answer is $98.95. Okay, so for part E, also quite simple. 0, 5 will be 5. 5, 1 will be 6. Decimal point. 4, 3 will be 7. And then 5, 2 will be also 7. And the dollar sign. So $77.65. Alright, so it's quite simple. Realize this page there's no regrouping at all, so we always start with those that has no regrouping. I think from the next page onwards there will be regrouping involved. So let's go to the next page. Okay, so part A and part B I've done already. So now let's go to part C. Okay, so part C, let's start working it out. These are all addition. So 0, 5 will be 5. 6, 1, 6, 5 will be 11. Make sure you do the regrouping over here. 1, 3 is 4. 4 plus 9, 13. Regrouping 1 as well. 1, 6 will be 7. So the answer is $73.15. Alright, next one. 5, 5 will be 0. 5, 5 will be 10, sorry, so the 1 will be here. Regrouping. 1, 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. The decimal point. 8, 1 is 9. 3, 4 is 3, 1 is 4. So $49.90. And the last one of the page. 5, 5 is 10. You could pick 1 over here. 1, 0 is 1 plus 8 is 9. decimal point. 7, 3 is 10. Regrouping 1. 1, 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So $90.90. Right, let's go to the next page. Okay, this is like a puzzle, so you have to guess the word at the bottom, but everything else is the same. So let's start from A. All right, so 5, 5 is 10. 1, 6 is 7. 7 plus 6, 13. So regrouping 1 here as well. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. So regroup the 1 over here. 1, 2 is 3. So $32.30. Okay, okay, next one. 5, 0 is 5. 8, 4 is 12. Regrouping 1. 1, 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5, 7. 5, 2 is 7. So 79.25. Right. So for E, 5, 5 is 10. 1, 7 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14. So there's a grouping 1. 1 is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Let me write that properly. And then there's a regrouping 1. 1, 3, 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 78.40. $78.40. Okay, for K, 5, 5 will be 10. 1, 8 will be 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Decimal point, 1. 1, 9 is 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 1 plus 8 is 9. So this is $99.40. And after that, for J, 0, 5, 5. 6, 8 will be 14. Regrouping 1. 1, 5 will be 6. 6 plus 7, 13. Regroup the 1. 1, 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So this will be $93.45. For T, 5, 5 is 10. 1, 8 is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Regroup 1 over here. 1, 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Group the 1 on the 5. 1, 5, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So it's $81.80. And the word you get is actually jacket. Okay, so the word is jacket. Alright, so move on to the last page. Alright, so the last page requires you to write the equation as well. So make sure you write down the equation. But for equation, it doesn't matter whether is it the bigger quantity in front or the smaller quantity in front. But for working, I have a habit that I always put the bigger number in front, followed by the smaller number at the bottom. Alright, so this is a habit because when we go on to subtraction, it's always big minus small. So I just have a habit of putting the bigger one on top and the smaller one at the bottom. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so I have a shirt which is $34.35. I have a hat that is $14.65. I add them together. So let's start. 5, 5 will be 10. Regroup 1. 1, 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Decimal point and regroup the 1 on the 4. 1, 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So it's $49. So I can write 49.00 or I can just write $49. Okay, and that's what I'm going to write. So if the amount is a full dollar, which means that there is no cents involved, you can actually write it without the 0.00 behind. Okay, it's fine. Okay, it's the same as you go outside. If there's it's a complete dollar, you don't need to write the dot 00 behind. But if you want to, it's not wrong. It's totally fine. Alright, so let's go to the next one. Alright, so I have a dress that is 29.90. I have a jacket that is $56.65. So add them together. Right, so 50 is 5, 69 is 15, decimal point, we group the 1, 167, 7 plus 9 is 16, 1 5 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, so it's $86.55. Okay, right, and for the last one, okay, I have a pair of jeans which is for $4.65. I have a skirt which is $25.90. Add them together. 5 50 will be 5, 69 will be 15. We decimal point, we group the 1, 1 4 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. Group the 1, 1 4 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7. So what I get is $70.55. So $70.55. Alright, so that's all the answers you need, and that's all the solution. Basically, you realize it is very simple, nothing different from the whole numbers, just that you need to take note of the alignment of the decimal point, the separator that separates the dollars and the cents, and of course the units, because units is important in this topic. So take the time to finish up correction and clear up whatever thing you have not cleared up, including doing it on hard copy up to this point on page 170. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.